Practice at 1.2. Practice at 1.2 शुरू करने से पहले there are some type of sets which you need to know. Let's see that type of sets. Singleton sets. Singleton sets are those sets which consist of only one element. Like for example, हमने 1.1 में देखा था there was one set which said that even prime number. The condition was an even prime number. Now for this, we have only one number for the set, that is 2. Therefore, if you see, ये set में सिर्फ एक ही element है, therefore it is called a singleton set. Now in case of empty set is a type of a set where there is not a single element in the set and satisfies the given condition. Like for example, मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है B is a set of x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. So there is no number between 2 and 3. So therefore B is equal to an empty set. This is how you denote an empty set, and a symbol for the empty set is phi. Empty set is also called as null set. Now in case of finite set is a type of a set which consists of a null set also, and the elements are limited and also countable. Like C is a set of P such that P is a number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. We can write this as C is equal to, now the numbers between 1 to 22 which is divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Now if you see in this set, the numbers are limited and it is countable. Therefore, it is called as finite set. In case of infinite set, you can say that this is a type of set which is uncountable, which is unlimited. Therefore, like for example, natural numbers, a set which consists of natural numbers. Now, there are thousands of natural numbers. So therefore, this type of set is called as infinite set. Equal sets. Equal sets are defined as every element of set A is in set B और vice versa. इसका मतलब जो element set A में होता है वही element set B में होना चाहिए. Or you can say जो element B में है वो element A में होना चाहिए. Let's take an example for this. A is a set of X such that X is a letter of the word listen. So हम ये जो सेट दिया है वो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में, इसे हम रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, दैट इज L I S T E N. Please notice that whenever you write a set, you never repeat an alphabet or a number. Now in case of B is a set of Y such that Y is a letter of the word silent. So we'll write B as S I L E N T. Now if you see यहाँ पे जो भी alphabets A में है वही B में है. Therefore we can say A is equal to B. Let's see example 2. Example 2. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this case अगर आप देखोगे A में 3 एलिमेंट है, that is 1, 2, 3, और B में 4 एलिमेंट है with an extra 4. Therefore, this doesn't matches with the A. The 4 which is in the set B is not in the A. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Let's see example 3. A is a set of X such that X is a prime number and X is greater than 10, less than 20. Now this is given in the set builder form. We'll write it in the listing method. That is A. Prime numbers between 10 to 20 are 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now if you see the set B, elements are same. So therefore you can say A is equal to B. So this is called as equal sets. First question, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. So हमें तीन सेट दिया गया है. तीनों सेट is in the form of set builder form. that is set builder notation. Let's solve the first one. So A is a set of x such that 3x minus 2 is equal to 2. So 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Now we have a condition 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, and we'll solve this. We'll take minus 1 on the right hand side. We get 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to multiplication है, right hand side में लेवल शिफ्ट होएगा तो divide होएगा, 3 get cancelled and you get as 1. So the element of A is 1. Question 2. B is a set of x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. जब हम टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर कर रहे थे वहां पे मैंने neither prime nor composite के ऊपर एक एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया था, that is the number is 1. 1 is type of a number whose multiple factor, that is factor, is nothing but itself. So therefore neither prime nor composite is 1. In case of C, C is a set of x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 2. So we know a natural number which is less than 2, that is 1. Now if you see, the element of all three sets are same. A is 1, B is also 1 and C is also 1. Therefore all three sets are equal to each other because the element is same. Second question, decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. First set, that is A, is a set of even prime number. So we know even prime number is 2. So therefore A is equal to 2. In case of B, यहाँ पे हमें condition दिया गया है 7x minus 1 is equal to 30. Let's solve this condition. So we get 7x minus 1 is equal to 30. यहाँ पे minus 1 है, shift करेंगे 30 plus 1 हो जाएगा, 7x is equal to 14. यहाँ पे multiplication है, आगे यहाँ पे divide हो जाएगा, so we get 2. Therefore we get B is equal to 2. Now if you see, the element of both these sets are same, that is 2. Therefore set A is equal to set B. Third question, which of the following sets are empty sets and why? First set, A is a set of A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Now we know that natural number starts from 1 to 3 and so on. So ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है जो 1 से कम हो जो नेचुरल नंबर के अंडर आता है, और यहाँ पे हमें बोला गया है कि नेचुरल नंबर smaller than 0. Therefore there is no element in it. Therefore it is an empty set. So we can write this as A is an empty set. In case of B, there is a condition given. B is a set of x such that x square is equal to 0. So we will solve this condition. Therefore it is x square equal to 0. Therefore हमें x का value 0 मिलता है. Now students get confused with 0 and empty set. कभी कभी जब value x का value 0 मिलता है, so आपको लगता है कि it's an empty set, which is wrong. 0 comes under the whole number, therefore it is an element. So B as an element of 0. So therefore it is not an empty set. So we can write this as B is not an empty set. Let's see C. C is a set of x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0, where x belongs to natural number. So हमें condition दिया गया है 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So हम इसको solve करेंगे. So हमें मिलेगा 5x, shift करेंगे minus 2 को, so हमें मिलता है 0 plus 2. So 5x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore if you see x का value जो है, it's an fractional, which is also known as natural number. हमें बोला गया है कि x belongs to natural number, which is not equal to a natural number. Therefore C is an empty set. Sorry, C is an empty set. So we can write this as C is an empty set. Fourth question, write with reasons which of the following set are finite or infinite. First question, A is a set of x such that x is less than 10, x is a natural number. Now in case of x is less than 10 and it is a natural number, so हमें पता है A natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is said is less than 10, that is till 9. Therefore, this is countable plus it is limited, therefore it is a finite set. Well, in case of B, is a set of y such that y is less than -1, y is an integer. Now in case of integer, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों नंबर कंसीडर करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है, y is less than -1, therefore b is equal to, so y is less than 1 मतलब -2, -3, -4, -5, so इस तरह काउंट बढ़ते ही जाएगा, कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. So therefore, if you see, it's an infinite set, which is, you can say, unlimited, uncountable. Set C is a set of students of class 9 from your school. Therefore, this type of set, आपको पता है कि आपकी क्लास में कितने बच्चे लोग हैं, so it is a countable. Therefore, C is a finite set. Fourth question, set of people from your village. This is also countable. This is also limited. So therefore, it's a finite set. Set of apparatus in laboratory. Now in this case, every clock of a laboratory has a list of apparatus. So countable, limited. So उन्हें पता होता है कि कितने सारे apparatus है एक लैब में. So therefore, it is an finite set. Set of whole numbers. Whole numbers चालू होते ही, चलो से डिनोट करते हैं W से. Whole number चालू होता है 0 से, and there is a lot of whole numbers which is infinite. So यहाँ पे कोई limited condition नहीं दिया गया, बस बोला गया है कि set of whole numbers. So हमें पता है set of whole numbers बहुत सारे होते हैं, जैसे hundreds, thousands, millions में होते हैं. So therefore, this is uncountable. Therefore, it is unlimited. So it is an infinite set. Rational numbers are those numbers which are seen in fraction, that is PQ form में, P upon Q, that is numerator upon denominator form में. So therefore, there are a lot of rational numbers. So they haven't given a condition over here. So it is an infinite set.